Yeah, we're out for a little afternoon walk. A lot of deer tracks, fresh and old. Not a whole lot of food for the deer to eat right now, this time of year. Sometimes they eat. You can see where they knocked the branch off there. A couple little bucks left. Hopefully they stick around. Coyote hunters been back here with their dogs. Don't know if they got any yet. I don't know what the temperature is, but I know it's below freezing. It's nice this morning, it was thawing. There's a few wild grapes left for the deer and the birds. Knock them off, they're easier for them to get. Seeds. Anybody home? Hello? Nobody home. The deer got the cedars ate just as high as they can get them. Standing on their hind legs. A little abandoned bird nest back in the summer. The deer like to pick their own trails. There's some fresh ones right there. Sometime this morning when it was thawing. This must be the railroad crossing. Looks like there might have been 3 or 4 deer. That's good. At least we know we still got some around. Sharpshooters didn't get them all. That's a heavy one there. You can see where he's dragging the feet. In there browsing a little bit. A butternut tree I planted. Getting up there. Come along good. She had butternuts on her this year. The Washington thorn. She's got a lot of berries on her. Give some to the deer. Oh yeah. They'll appreciate that. Little house on the prairie. See, he's got the milking done. Nobody on the toilet. A couple pieces of farm machinery. I had to protect that tree because the deer were eating it. That's one I got from my son-in-law quite a while ago. One of them died, but that one there made it. The old basswood getting ate up by woodpeckers and bugs, choke cherries. Keep it up, guys. You'll knock it over for me. That one looks like it's getting hollow too. This one's been hollow for a long time. I put that little jar in there over 20 years ago. Got one to cut up over there. That's where my buddy Bandit's buried. Right about where them deer tracks are. Oh, sorry, that's a dog track. Check out the size of that thing. I hope he was after a coyote. This here is 11 acres that I got out back before it hooks to the 39. As you can see, the trees have been falling down all over because of the wind and ice, rotting. God knows why. Any evergreen you see in here, I planted. They're getting big. Probably back 30 years maybe, or so. Dog track. This old brush here is dying off. The honeysuckle stuck over. smothered them right out. I guess it's just change for new. The old dying off, the new will come in. Planted this little tree from just a twig. Deer and dog. There's some more that I planted. I lost count. Old park bench sitting here. There's a lot of Dad's flowers. They come up every year, the yellow ones, primroses. There's a choke cherry that fell down during one of the windstorms. Must have been rotted up there on the edge. The yellow apple tree over there. It's a wild one, but it produces. Anybody see that?